I was so excited when I was writing my first program. In this video, we'll create one small Hello World program by using console app .NET 6 in Visual Studio 2022 Community Edition. So, are you guys also excited? So, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and click like button to support us. So, let's dive into the video. So for C Sharp .NET, we should have a Visual Studio as a IDE. So for that we need to install Visual Studio. So this is the website you can refer to download. So once you download Visual Studio, you will have a Visual Studio 2022. It will be opened like this, and here you will have like a clone repository, open a project, open existing, create a new project. So you can click create a new project, and you can search for the console app. It will show all the different apps which is available. So in console app you will be seeing one is for .NET 6 and one more is for .NET framework. So now we'll be using .NET 6. We'll click next. So here we can give the project name. So project name we can modify, and location we can modify. Solution name, it will be same as the project name. We'll keep it like that only, will not change that. So location we can change accordingly, and we can click next. So in this page you can see we can select which .NET framework we want. So currently I have only .NET 6, so I'll select that. So once I creating the application, it will take some time. After that, if you can see that we have .NET App project completed, and we can see two different folders and a project.cs file, and also two different folders. So we can see analyzers in that we have different files and the framework we have, and program.cs if you open, you have console.writeline hello world. So we'll run this application and see is it working. We have building this, and build is succeeded. So it will open a console and it will show the output whatever we have written in the program.cs file. So hello world, we can see that our output came, so we are good. So we can go to this first console app. This is having a project file which is having a xml like a project SDK. It is referred microsoft.net.sdk, output type exe, and target framework .NET 6.0, explicit and nullable enabled. So now we'll create one new class where we will create one small method to print the string whatever we have given to that. So now we'll create one new class. So console print. So we can create this class. So once we create that class, we'll be having default it will be adding using system collection generic and system link, system text, and system thread.task. So namespace we can see first console app, and internal class console print. So class name is console print. So we'll create one new method here, that is public. We'll create a public method, and return type will be void, will keep, and print string we can keep like that name, and we'll be passing a parameter like a string value will pass, so that whatever value we pass, that we will try to print in the console. So I'll add one string parameter like a string and a string value, so that whatever value will be sending to this method will read that value, and we will be printing that value. So the people who have knowledge on C sharp, right, they can understand easily, but it is a simple code. For others also it is a small things. So this is nothing but one namespace is there, one class we created, one method we created. So this will be printing that whatever value we'll pass to this method, print string. So in the program.cs we will declare this namespace, and we'll create the instance class of that class, and we will do the instantiation, and we'll call that method. So we can create like a console namespace will be first console, so we can use using for first console, and internal class we can keep a console print. We can give the class name, and console print one new instance will create. So that console instance dot will get if we see that we can see print string. So we can pass the whatever string we want, that will be printed in the console. So now we need to print hello world. We'll pass that hello world. So whatever default is there, we'll remove that, and so we'll add like with method, and we'll run the application. So now the output is expected as like whatever we have passed the string, that will be printed in the console. So we can see it is executing. It will get printed the string whatever we passed, that is a hello world with method. So that's it for this video. In coming videos we'll explain more about C sharp, and thank you for watching.